the video? This is Kitty. Welcome back to my YouTube. Hello. Guys, I have not done that in so long, but I am happy to say that I can do it again. First off, welcome to the new year. It is 2025 and we are going to try our hardest to get back into uploading YouTube videos, okay? So the video that you are about to watch is a beginner makeup tutorial. So as you can see, this is the final product. Am I a big fan? No. But do I think I look good? Yes. This is my first time doing like a dramatic type of look with a bold red lip. Usually when I do my full face makeup, I'm always using like a neutral nude color to kind of match my skin tone. So this is my first time doing something out of the box, as well as my hairstyle. I tried to mimic a hairstyle that I saw on TikTok, but I'm not gonna say that it looks just like the picture, but I'm not gonna say that it doesn't look like the picture, because you can catch the drift. Like you can catch like what was trying to be put down, you know. But this is pretty much what this video is about. As I come back to YouTube, I am mainly on my beauty journey, from hair to makeup to somewhat a little bit fashion, and then you might get lifestyle depending on if my lifestyle is interesting. You know, all I do is work, and that's about it. I just hope y'all enjoy the video. Bye. So we're going to install this fairly old wig, and I want to do this hairstyle. I want to do this hairstyle, and I think it's possible that I can do it. I just haven't done it before. So we have the wig. I feel like it's the perfect length to do it. It's clean, fresh, all that good jazz. We just have to do it. So come with me while I do this wig, okay? If y'all see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. My mirror is right here, and I don't have the proper mount to put my camera right directly in front of it. So if you see me looking over here, that's why I'm looking over here. Ooh wee! Trust the process. Trust the process. Please trust the process. This is giving helmet. Oh, this is going to be a massive episode of trust the process. Like seriously, trust the freaking process. But it needs this little shaggy piece up here needs some of this very hard, and some of this very hard. What my daddy say? Stop wearing them hats. And in a minute, I'm gonna just stop wearing these hats. Last year on my list, I put that I start to wear my natural hair more, and I actually did. I got my hair cut. Okay, so what y'all think? Not gonna lie, I think it's eating just a tad bit, not a lot of it. Does need to be. Okay, I'm seeing the vision. I'm seeing the vision. Is it going to look like the picture? No. Are we gonna try to get close to the picture? Yes. Okay. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't. You know, the bang is banging, you know. Told you I can. Ooh. I know how to do the front curls, right? But it's this, I don't know if you can see it, it's this little part right here. Okay, I am somewhat happy with the final results, only because we're about to get into the makeup. So All right, y'all, let's get into this face, okay? So I'm going to show you all the products that I used. I am just a beginner getting into makeup and all the things of that sort. So if I'm doing something wrong, just be kind and tell me what I'm doing wrong. Not an expert. It does not take me that long to do a face, but welcome to the beginner makeup tutorial, I guess. I'll also show y'all the products that I use. 99.9% of all of these products you can find at your local beauty supply store. Only thing that I got that is not from the beauty supply store is my foundation. I got this from Sephora and I spent $50. Now, hear me out. Now I understand why makeup artists charge an arm and a leg for makeup, because this was $50. This foundation alone was $50, and then like with tax it was like 55 something dollars, right? So I understand why makeup artists charge 200 and something dollars to get their face done, because for one, you want to buy the product and you want to replace the product and you want to make the profit off of what the product costs. So that alone right there is $150. Do your math, okay? We use this full coverage concealer, eyebrow gel contour by e.l.f. Well, I didn't get this from my local beauty supply store. I got this from Ulta. Eyebrow pencils, I use them for liner. We have mascara. This is Essence. I got this from Ulta as well. Maybe I lied. And then I have a whole bunch of makeup brushes right here. Makeup brushes, I got those from Shein. I have this brush palette. Got it from my beauty supply store. e.l.f. lip oil. I got this from Ulta as well. I love it. I have Maybelline. This is a red. I have NYX. This is Smooth Whip. I actually saw a picture on Facebook with like different lip combos, and I made sure I went to the store to get them. And then I have this from e.l.f. This is probably one of my favorite ones. And I got these from Ulta. Semi beauty supply store, semi Ulta. 2 setting powders. I got these from the beauty supply store. I got this bronzer. Oh my god, I got this bronzer from the beauty supply store, but I am in freaking love with it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Finishing spray. I got this from the beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure that this is not the best. I need to go get the I think it's called Oasis finishing spray by Patrick Star or something like that. I need to go get that. I have these cream foundations. I use these. This is what I started with. This is what started the whole madness, y'all, okay? I started with these 2 cream foundations before I actually started putting liquid foundation on my face. And I use these number 10 for when I do a no makeup look. Everything that I've talked about is what I use, okay? Start with our primer. We're gonna go in with our foundation. I only put foundation on my chin and on my cheeks. Not that much, just enough. That's it for the NARS foundation. Like I said, it only goes on the chin and a little bit on the cheeks. Next, I usually go in with my brow. Now, in the summertime, I got my eyebrows. They're not called tinted. What is it called? I got my eyebrows ombre. I got my eyebrows ombre by my girl Sarah. I actually need to go see Sarah very soon. But I got my eyebrows done by Sarah. It's technically a tattoo on your eyebrows. Never knew that until I got them done. But I'm glad that I did, because now I don't really have to do much to my eyebrows. I fill them in sometimes when I want like a bold look. But today, we're not gonna really do a bold look. We're just gonna go with something very simple. Next, we're gonna use our full coverage concealer. This is by ProTOUCH. I don't even know if that's a good brand, but until I really get in my makeup bag, we're gonna use our friendly beauty supply store products as much as we can. And as you can see, I just go in the corner and in the back. I learned this trick from TikTok. Now, that might be wrong, but guess what? I do what I do, you do what you do. I take my concealer and I take my my eyebrow like brush, whatever, and I take a little bit of concealer and I outline the bottom of my eyebrows just sometimes, depending on if I have hair down there or if I don't have hair down there. So yeah, I just really go in with my concealer at the bottom of my eyebrow, not at the top, just at the bottom, and you know, make it a little bit sharper. Also, disclaimer, I'm going to keep saying it, I am not a makeup artist, nor do I aspire to be one, you know? But sometimes you gotta learn how to do things yourself. So I learned how to do my own hair in high school. Here I am, dang near 30, learning how to do my own makeup. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just said that. Dang near 30, learning how to do my own makeup. What is going on in the world? It's 2025. Next year will be my 10-year high school anniversary. Oh my gosh. And then I take my brush. I've seen a couple people on TikTok that like they do everything all together at once. Like they'll put the concealer under their eye, then they'll put the contour where they need to put the contour, and then they'll put the blush, like liquid blush where they need to put the liquid blush, and then they do it all together, and then they be done. I don't think I have that skill yet to actually like learn how to blend it in all together and make it look good. So we're gonna do ours step by step, because that's what I learned and that's what I see my makeup artists do, okay? And then also we're making a TikTok, so make sure y'all follow us on TikTok and Instagram, Destiny LaCree. All right, so next on the list we have our concealer. No, contour. I got it, Deja. So my makeup artist actually like, she didn't cuss me out, but she was like, do you have contour? And I'm like, what's that? And she like, I know dang oh well you did not just say, what's that? What are you talking about? I'm like, my bad girl, like I don't even know what that is for real. I just, you know. But I watched some more TikTok. That's why I can't believe they're taking TikTok away. They is, y'all. They shutting down Dollar Tree, y'all. They is. They shutting down Dollar Tree. I can't believe they shutting down Dollar Tree, because I learned so much on there, from makeup tips to what to cook to how to change a tire or how to clean the car the proper way. So I can't believe that they're doing that. Sorry, I missed a spot with the concealer. I also put it right here, right here, right here, and right here. I don't know if it's because I'm recording that I kind of got like a little flustered, but I can't believe I forgot that. Do y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that? I don't know if that was a plane, somebody's car. I don't know what it was, but it just scared the stuff out of me. It just scared the heck out of me. I don't know what that was, but I didn't like that. I did not just like that. Oh my gosh, what was that? Oh my god, you ain't about to shut down Dollar Tree. Oh my gosh, the world is coming to an end. Everybody in the world just doing what they want to do. You got California over here on fire. I'm going in with this brush and blending the contour. What was I talking about? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. That really got me. Like that little sound outside, it just scared me. I don't know what I thought that was, and I don't know what it actually was, but it just really scared me. And I just kind of threw myself off for a second. Okay. Sometimes y'all, you just gotta sit and take a little breather. Take a little breather. Take a little chill pill. Make sure everything is good, so you don't crash out. Cause I didn't almost crash out, but I almost like turned this whole video off. I don't know, cause I honestly don't know what just happened. Like I don't know what just happened with myself. Like I really just don't know. But we back to normal. Not gonna lie, I think I messed up a little bit, but we're about to just go back in and fix it. So I just took my foundation brush with a little bit of foundation on there. Got right here. Yeah. This is my first time recording myself talking while doing my makeup, so it's like I'm concentrating, but I'm not concentrating. So I think that's why I'm over here like, not freaking out, but freaking out. And then that sound really threw me off, because all this stuff that's going on in the world, like I said, with the fires, and I'm from Detroit, and it's a whole bunch of stuff going on in this world, even in Detroit. So we're only 11 days into the year, and things are getting like crazier and crazier by the second. So I think that's one thing, like, it just, everything was just, they closing down Dollar Tree, all they is. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our finishing powder. I don't know if this is a good finishing powder, but this is the finishing powder that we use. So you put this under your eyes. Okay, I feel like this hair gives red lip, but if I put this red lip on and I'm mad, we're gonna have a problem. And one thing that I also do like is, like, when I'm doing my lips, I like to go a little bit over my lip, because it gives me the BBL lips look. I went in with the brown. I'm about to go in with the black, just a little bit, not a lot. Red lip. Next on the list is going to be our blush and our bronzer. Not gonna lie, blush and bronzer is probably one of my two favorite things to do, because the blush be blushing and the bronzer just bring it together. Oh my gosh, I put my blush on first and then I put the bronzer on. Don't know if I'm supposed to, but I also put it on my nose and I put it right here. Okay, so we do have lashes that we're going to put on, but another trick that I was told, actually from my friend, is that you put mascara on first and then you put the lashes on. I'm about to freaking lose it. I'm not one of them people that can put my lashes on with tweezers. Like, I can't freaking do that. This has to go on or the whole video is going to just get shut off, and I'm about to take it off and go lay down. I don't see how people do this. And bring it right on down. Okay, this is the final look. Okay. I think we did a somewhat good job. Could it be better? Yes. Next time, will it be better? Yes. I should have stuck to my nude lip because I'm not 100% confident in how it looks. But alright, I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We have already hit 500. So we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's make sure you share this video. Please tell me if this is helpful. Like I said, I am a beginner. I have not taken any beginner classes. The most I have done is watch TikTok, took lessons from my makeup artist, and just tried it. Okay, everything in this video I feel is affordable, so if you would like to get started or you need some tips or any type of products where you need to get them from, I have everything that I've gotten and used linked in my bio below. So I just hope y'all enjoy the video. Bye. Yeah.